little spider, answered Mrs. Spider. Spiders don't make hamantaschen. Spiders spin webs. That's right. Whir, 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 crack, 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 spill, spill, spill. Oh my goodness, Mr. Shapiro was adding things to the bowl left and right, and she was using the egg beaters, and then she took the dough and cut it into circles. She listened Sammy listened as she opened up the can of filling inside, and to each of the cookies she added some wonderful filling. Suddenly, Sammy heard a squirt, 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 and he looked over at the kitchen table. Josh was squeezing glue from a bottle onto a piece of paper. "Mother!" cried Sammy. "What is Josh doing now?" "Sammy," his mother said, "please speak quietly. Josh is making a noisemaker called a grogger, and tonight he will twirl and spin it whenever he hears the name Haman," right?